So today we'll be doing a video on soldering copper pipes. Remember, if you're doing any kind of soldering, turn off the water main, consult a licensed plumber. Okay, this is very technical work. We have a small cutter here, pipe cutter. We have a larger one here, go to an inch. We'll need sandpaper. We have all our pieces that we will be practicing on. We have here a T, a little piece of copper pipe. We got a coupling here. And we have a 4 to 5. As you can see, that is what it looks like. Wasn't that great piece of pipe. First of all, if we're going to do any soldering, like I say, turn the water main off. If you're not too sure, consult a licensed plumber or a licensed technician. We must clean our copper pipe. We have this little piece here. Also have a piece of rag. Make sure it's clean. Like that. I have a little piece here. Today's video I'll show you how to sweat the copper pipe on. We'll start with a T. So make sure we got everything. The copper pipe must be absolutely clean and shine. So get it clean. We also have to use the paste. We could also use a brush to apply it. In our case, we'll be using the T. So we should clean the T. As you can see, got a little bit of corrosion on it. A little bit of. Make sure the T is cleaned. There is a brush to clean this. But if you don't have the brush, you do it this way. Takes a little bit of time, but you must clean it. Also, you could roll the sandpaper like that. Get in there. Put a little bit of flux inside. Depends on where we're soldering. So in our case, we'll do the T part. Put fluxes all around. We have that with a compound on it. Slide it in like so. Make sure it's in right there. We have this piece here. Push it in like so. we could go on to the mic. I'll show you, I'll put it onto the vise so we get a very good idea what we're doing. Realistically, you shouldn't put it on the vise because you'll crimp that. But for the video, I'll put it onto the vise.